Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine at your home. So, welcome in the maths class of grade 1. As you all know that we have been completed the chapter 1. So, let's start from the chapter 2. The chapter 2 is number bonds. Now, what is number bonds? The number bonds is a bond between the numbers, the relationship between the numbers, and as you can say, the relationship between the part and the total. We can show the number bond by the three boxes. The model of the number bond is represented by the three box, in which in the top position box we will write the total number, and there are two boxes which connected to it show the number of parts. So to understand the number bond clearly, we will take the example of the flowers. In with this you can see the number of flowers. Now tell me how many number of flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total number of flowers is 6. So we can write here the number of total flowers are 6. Now tell me the number of red flowers. The number of red flowers are 1 and 2. So we will write here the number of red flowers 2. Now tell me the number of yellow flowers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the number of yellow flowers are 4. So the number of yellow flowers are 4. So here we can see the number 6 shows the total number of flowers, whereas number 4 shows some number of flowers or part of some flowers. Same as 2 shows the number of red flowers, number of some flowers. So we will write 6 at the top position and 4 and 2, because these two numbers are showing the part of the total number. Now we all know that 4, so we will write number 4 here and number 2 here. So in a number bond basically we use three sentence, that is group of yellow flowers, group of red flowers and total number of flowers. So basically in number bond we will use three term, group 1, group 2 and total. Now tell me, is it make any difference if we will put 2 here and 4 here? If we will change the position, if we change the order of these number, then it makes any difference? See, 4 plus 2 makes 6 and 2 plus 4 makes 6. So in the number bond the order does not matter. Okay, so let's start the term composing and decomposing, which is basically the term of number bond. Now what is composing and decomposing? In composing we combine the little number and make a large number, whereas in decomposing we break the bigger number to make the large number. So composing and decomposing both are the opposite to each other. Let's more clear about take the example. Here we have two numbers 2 and 2. what happened if we combine these two numbers? When we combine number 2 and then 2, it makes number 4. So there are many ways to compose the number. The another way of to compose the number is, to compose the number 4 is, we will combine the number 3 and number 1. And what happened if we will combine the number 3 and number 1? It will also make number 4. So we can see that there are two ways to make the number 4 by using the little number, or you can say by combine the two littles number. Same as we can do with the decomposing. Decomposing means break the bigger number and make the larger number. In this, we break the bigger number and divide it into a small numbers. Let's take an example of decomposing. Here we will take the number 5. Now the number 5 can be divided into number 3 and number 2. When we combine number 3 and 2, then it will make number 5. So number 5 can be divided into number 3 and number 2. Now the other different way to break the number 5 is number 4 and 1. If we break the number 5 in number 4 and number 1, then this also makes the number 5. So in this chapter, in this portion, you can understand the composing and decomposing and the different ways to compose and decompose the numbers. So everyone, it's a whole summary of a number bond. Thanks for staying with me.